Oh yeah, I wanted to show some Simon Dan tonight. Can you believe it?
I can't stand watching that guy.
I can't believe I actually agreed with him.
Thank you. Okay, Dal, first of all, when we drop the bottle, we observe everything in the bottle and the bottle to accelerate to Earth, okay, at the same rate. This is demonstrable, measurable.
Yes, Dal, a measured one at 9.8 meters per second squared. A demonstrable acceleration.
There we go, that's one thing.
Same thing, while accusing me of having globe rhetoric. No, I'm showing you real world physics. I'm not trying to break physics. You're trying to break physics, son. You're denying real world physics. Again, you just skirt over and ignore.
Yeah.
Exactly, Eric Hartel. Acceleration equals displacement, but not when everything's accelerating at the same rate, because it applies the same amount of force. Don't know why I showed that, because that just, and this guy is just measuring the difference in it with the ruler, showing, you see, it doesn't have a force attributed to it when it's falling, blah blah blah.
Oh, you're so wrong, Flatzoid. This video was not just about dropping things in a free fall. This demonstration was showing a motion given to the vessel upward, increasing the buoyancy and density effect, displacing the ping pong ball further from the water. Not that you at all took the time to comprehend this, or that you'll realize at all the significance of the demonstration.
There is no displacement. The water stays exactly where it is. If this was being accelerated downwards, then the water would move towards the top and the air would move towards the bottom. That's what happens in cases of acceleration with liquids and gas. Okay, these people who are promoting the idea that this is being accelerated down are promoting an idea which is no observed to us. It's not something we can demonstrate. There is no accelerative way or force that I can, accelerate the bottle, the gas and the liquid all at the same rate with no displacement occurring.
Yeah, it's called displacement by accelerating quickly, okay? You're literally giving it momentum in that way. But remember, the water and everything had a directional momentum of
Stationary. What gives it a direction?
Directional vector of what already?
There is no direction of something stationary. It has no momentum, no vector, no magnitude, no velocity.
When it's static, showing downwards, correct?
Yeah.
There is no direction of something stationary, Dal. It has no momentum, no vector, no magnitude, no velocity. Wow.
It's got forces attributed to it when it's stuck down.
And every one of these claims are claiming that when I let go of this bottle, it's the bottle and its contents that are going towards the earth, which implies that there's an acceleration at play.
Yes, Dal, a measured one at 9.8 meters per second squared. A demonstrable acceleration.
There we go, that's one thing I agreed with him on. Correct? We can measure this acceleration, correct?
Yeah, it's measured.
Observed, measured. As good as globers. That's all they're doing. I see a sunrise, therefore the sun is rising. The light that is falling. As good as globers. That's all they're doing. I see a sunrise, therefore the sun is rising. The light that is falling. This is exactly the same, guys. It's glober rhetoric. Have you noticed how the globers are saying they are right?
Yeah, I've just said that in chat. If a baller agrees with you, you know you're wrong.
Flatzoid actually agreed on some points from Simon Dan.
When the bottle is stationary, the objects have the different forces attributed. Because
There is no direction of something stationary, Dal. It has no momentum, no vector, no magnitude, no velocity.
because the one can support where the other one cannot. When you let them all go together, then they all accelerate at the same rate in the same direction. So therefore, it would not be expected to have displacement. This is normal, actual, observed, measurable physics.
There
we go. Thank you.
Is that you done? Right, there we go. There, you've heard it there yourself, the special pleading for a force that can apply different force to gas, liquids and solids, which is non-demonstrable. Nobody has ever witnessed in reality, ever, and Flatzoid thinks that he can special plead for it on the downward vector, the very same as we just heard from Simon Dan, who says the exact same thing. The gas, the liquid and the bottle are all accelerating towards the Earth at the same time. Nobody has ever witnessed a force, nobody can ever demonstrate a force that's capable of such things. It's a special pleading. The thing is that Flatzoid again made the statement that we don't claim that there should be displacement. He's missing the point. No, you might not be claiming that. Physics dictates that there must be displacement present under conditions of acceleration.
Show me where it says that.
I'm not finished, fuckwit. Nobody has ever witnessed anything like that in their entirety of human existence. Now, along comes globe earthers and flat earthers that want a stationary Earth that now sound exactly the same. There's now a force that we've never witnessed, that we can never demonstrate, that can apply different amounts of force from the one force, can now apply various force to gas, various amounts of force to liquid, and a different amount of force to a solid. So it's splintering itself up. That is total and utter lunacy. Total and utter gibberish. The rest of these word salad is totally irrelevant. Again, gas and liquid demonstrably so dictates that if there's acceleration, there's displacement that happens. It's a world fact, everybody can demonstrate it. So when somebody makes a claim that in the downward vector, which we have shown, when you actually accelerate something towards the Earth, the gas and the liquid displace with each other. Now, when we let it go, they're still claiming there's an acceleration, but it's a magic acceleration, where the gas and the liquid don't displace. And they keep repeating it. It's observable. It's observable. No, it's your interpretation of what you think's going on based on your presupposition of a stationary Earth, so that the objects must now accelerate towards your stationary Earth, and you're ad hoc in your explanations to make it fit your presupposition of a stationary Earth, which goes totally against observed physics in every fucking way, shape or form. And they keep going round and round in circles like a globe earther. End of story. Now, I'm finished with you, Flatzoid.
Now,
we've heard your rhetoric. You're an idiot, son. Now fuck off.
Oh yeah, I wanted to show some Simon Dan tonight.